Guys, I got a package. Can you see what it is? WaterFirst cabinet top. A water dispenser. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what it's like. Also, the packaging was packed very nice. Handled with care. I like that. Box not open. It's not flimsy. Everything taped down. Pretty good. Okay, guys. Here's the dimension of the water dispenser. So pause to read. Alright, guys. This is what it's looking like. That thing is nice. Let me zoom it around. The specs, you all. And you see that? We're gonna use that. Milk, tea, coffee, room temperature water. Okay, look at the bottom. Filter water directly. Okay. Okay, water dispenser. Stay tuned, guys. So we got a nice little thick instruction manual. We're gonna go over this instruction manual, you all. We're gonna set it over there for now. Y'all, it's, oh my God. Y'all, it's packed in there real good. Alright guys, I got it all hooked up and plugged up. So let me give you a full picture. And of course, it got some instructions on top. Can you see them? Let me cut the light on for you. Now, can you see? And this is what it's looking like, guys. So I got it up here with my, you know, where I make my iced coffees and stuff at here. So it looks sleek and nice here. So I'm going to get the instruction manual and I'm going to see what I can do. Don't look like I'm going to have that much room, but I'm going to make it work. So hold tight. Guys, make sure you clean your items before using it. So it will specify clean, clean, clean. So that's what I did. Clean your items. Okay, guys, make sure you clean your item before use. It highly requests you to clean, you know, the inside of this before starting. Okay, guys, you see it there? Pause to read. So I cleaned it. It got enough water in the reservoir. So I'm finna add the lid back and we finna continue. Okay, guys, got me a nice little cup sitting there. So can you hear it? It's doing something. So it's kind of loud. So I'm gonna touch the top, and you can get, I guess, the water temperature. Here comes, y'all. So we're gonna do 6 ounce. And the temperature, that's hot. You see how it changed? I don't want it that hot, guys. I want it cold. And it should be ready. So I guess give it a minute. Plus it say it's working. Yeah. Guys, look at this thing. Can you see this thing? It's done hot. Better go get you one. Don't get that baby this bottle here.
To review it.
And did. Hot baby. Who needs a stove? Or a microwave? Hot, huh?
Ooh.
Yeah, think twice. You don't even have to boil no water. You can just come to this machine here, cold or hot, either one. And it's auto shut off, you know, self, I think it shuts off after so many minutes. So we're going to see how long it just shuts off because, okay, it's off. It's off. You see that? So, y'all check the description box because I will have everything linked in the description box, and this would be a good investment, especially if you got babies. If you're a soon-to-be mom, this is good because, you know, baby crying, you come in here, put the bottle underneath, fill it, and go from there. Room temperature, yeah. RO water, yeah. So I think I like this here. So I recommend this for new moms or current moms or just any type of household. This would be a good investment. So if you want this here, check the description box. I will have everything linked in the description box so you can go out and get you one. Until then, thanks for watching.